Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is the background design giveaway drawing for the Basically Amazing printable scrapbook album templates. So back on December 7th, the introduction to this new set of templates was put on YouTube, and all you had to do was comment below that video and vote for your next two favorite backgrounds that you'd like to see released in this set of printable templates. So it was already released in, let me find it, in the light wood, the small stripe, the text, coffee stained, and vintage polka dots. So 5 background designs were released on the release day, and every single background design comes with a free set of plain templates from me as a bonus with purchase, as does the guide for this set of templates. Comes as a free bonus with purchase. So all you had to do was vote for your next favorite background designs. If you want to see what these set of templates are all about, I will put a link up here to the playlist for this set of templates. It starts with the introduction video and goes on from there. And I will also put a link down below to my Etsy shop if you want to check out these templates in my Etsy shop. They are a printable version. They are not a physical version. There is not a physical version available at all. Only a digital download that you print out and make your scrapbook albums. So let's go ahead and let me show you the background designs that won, and then we'll get to picking some winners, because I've already pulled in the video URL into the random comment picker thingy. So let's get to the background designs that won this time around. Let me flip this around. So Diamond Check was, I think I'm gonna release 4 today. So the 4 top vote getting background designs is what we're gonna see today. So Diamond Check, so this is what the Etsy listing looks like. That's the Etsy photo listing. Diamond Check won. And then Grungy Wood won. Looks like that. Isn't that cool? And then I love Grungy Wood. I can see so many cool applications for that one. Collage 2, one of my all-time favorites. Looks like that. And then Buffalo Check. So that's another one of the new background designs. So it looks like that. So those are the 4 backgrounds that won. So also, that being said, these same backgrounds will be released, the same backgrounds that won today will be released in the Basically Amazing photo mats. So this is an add-on to the Basically Amazing foundation. So that's kind of an example. There's the Grungy Wood. That, you know, they come with the plain and the Grungy Wood. There's the Diamond Check. Isn't that cool? It comes with the Diamond Check and the plain. There is the Collage 2. Again, it comes with a set of plain. And then there's the Buffalo Check. Right? I love them. I love them all. So don't forget that anything that comes out with in the foundations will also come out in the photo mats as well. So before I forget, I'm going to stick these in I have a little glassine bag here where all the ones that are available, I've got a copy of those in here. So just in case, you never know. I might forget what's available. Okay. So I am going to, let's see. Before I pick the winners, I think what I'll do just really quick, just to get this out of the way here. Come on, where is it at? The next background design giveaway vote will be on February 4th, 2020. All you have to do is leave a comment below this video and tell me which one of these that are left that you would like to see released next. And let me show you really quick what's left. So Vintage Loose Leaf, that's a new one. Then we have Music Notes and Script, Collage and Doily. And then we have a Note Paper, Patchwork, and ledger. So those are the ones that are left that are going to be available for this set of templates. So all you got to do is at least leave 2 choices down below in the comment section of this video. And then on February 4th, I will make another video and we will choose some more background designs to release and we will choose some winners. Okay, so like I said, I've already pulled in the URL for the video. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus really quick. And it's already pulled in the comments, and it did filter the duplicate comments, so if you commented more than once, it did take that out. But now all I'm going to do is hit start, and we'll get our first winner. Whoops. Gotta hit start. Kathy Watts. Love these templates, Jen. Thank you for your hard work. I would love patchwork and music notes. Oh, sorry, Kathy. Neither one of those made it this time. But that's okay. There is a special email address down in the description box. And it is only for giveaway winners. So if you contact me through that email, I will not answer you unless you are a giveaway winner. Hit that email, send me an email, and tell me which choice you would like. You got the grungy wood, you've got the diamond check, you've got buffalo check, and you've got collage 2. You win the full set of the Basically Amazing foundation in one of those background designs. So you just get to choose which one it is that you want. I'll have to confirm that you are who you say you are. So just contact me through that email. So congratulations, Kathy. So there's one. So since I've got 4 backgrounds, I'm going to do 4 winners today. So there's one. Let's pick another one. I'm going to hit start again. Let's see who comes up. What's that say? PegMac71? I think I said that right. Welcome back. My picks are vintage loose leaf and doily. Oh, sorry again. Those 2 didn't make it this time around, but you do get to choose between grungy wood, diamond check, buffalo check, and collage 2. Contact me through that email down below. Look at winner, winner. Congratulations. All right, let's get 2 more. Wonder how many it'll let me do before it's like, ah! Lena or Leanie? Stork? I don't know how to say your name. I do apologize. Lene? I guess it could be Lene. I don't know. I'm not really good at pronunciation. I would love to see grungy wood and diamond check. Oh, perfect. So you get to choose between the grungy wood, diamond check, buffalo check, and collage 2. Congratulations. And I'm sorry if I butchered your name. I do apologize. Storgard. I don't know. I could sit here all day and try to pronounce people's names and I still probably wouldn't hit it correctly. So congratulations. Contact me through that email down below. Also, I wanted to, real quick before I do the last one, I wanted to let everybody know that you only have a week. So you have until, what is today? Let me find a calendar. This is one of my bullet journals. Whoops, I don't want to show you anything, anything specific here. I was just looking for my January calendar. Let's see. I want to cover this up because I want to show you guys something. Do you see that? You see that stamped image? That is the Bo Bunny stamp that we're going to be using all throughout the Basically Amazing albums that we're going to make. We haven't used it yet, maybe just a little bit in what we've already got going, but I used these 2 in my bullet journal. So this is not just good for albums, it's good for bullet journaling and all of that jazz. So I'll have this linked down below. Actually, I'll have the Amazon list for this set of templates and it'll be in there if you want to check it out. Anyway, that was a little side note. I use my stuff more than just for my projects, do you know what I mean? Okay, so today is the 7th, so you have until January 12th, 2020 to contact me to claim your winnings. Believe it or not, I've had people that have contacted me a year later and I'm just like, whoa, That's nuts. But I mean, I honored it. It just, I didn't give a time frame before. So you have until January 12th to contact me for your winnings. Okay, so we got one more winner. One more. I'm gonna pick another winner. All right, we're gonna pick one more winner. I'm gonna hit start. Nancy Hamby. I would love to see diamond check and note paper. Well, diamond check made it. So all you have to do is contact me via that email down below and let me know what you want. The diamond check, the grungy wood, the buffalo check, and the collage too. So congratulations to all of those winners. I also have a coupon code for you guys. This coupon code is valid from the day the time this video goes public on January 7th, 2020 to January 12th, 2020. So it is amazing 20. It's 20% off of everything in my Etsy shop with a $10 minimum purchase. And I will actually, you can go to my Etsy shop and put that in manually, or you can go through a link that I'll have down below that'll automatically take that 20% off if you have a qualifying purchase. So that might make it a little easier for you guys. So this is all based on my time, which is Eastern Standard Time. So don't forget, if you want to pick up one of these new background designs, that you use this special coupon code just for that. So it's valid from January 7th, 2020 to January 12th, 2020. There will be links down below. And congratulations to all the winners. And don't forget to leave your vote for the next giveaway background drawing, which will be February 4th, 2020. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and turn those notifications on. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.